So at first import a video, and I'm just speed up this clip. Click onto mouse left side, then press on change clip speed and increase or decrease speed. Make sure to turn on this and press on change. So look here, now successfully change clip speed. Or if you want to change only voice clip speed, so at first unlink this. So click on to link option, mouse left side, click on link clip. So I'm just separate two clip, video clip and audio clip. So if you want to speed up your audio clip, click on to mouse left side, change clip speed simply and increase this speed. Press on change and that's it.